The tortoise, a beloved creature in folklore and fables, is a fascinating land-dwelling reptile native to several continents. These slow-moving animals have captured the hearts of many with their unique characteristics and intriguing biology. Tortoises belong to the family Testudinidae, a group of reptiles that includes turtles. They are easily identified by their hard, protective shells, which serve as a home and armor for these gentle creatures. The shell of a tortoise is made up of two parts, the carapace on the top and the plastron on the bottom. This shell is not just a decorative element. It provides vital protection from predators and extreme weather conditions. The tortoise's slow movement is due to its strong, heavy shell and short, sturdy legs. Despite their slow pace, they can still cover considerable distances over time. Interestingly, a tortoise's slow movement is an adaptation that helps conserve energy in their harsh desert habitats. Tortoises are herbivores, feeding on a diet primarily consisting of vegetables, fruits, and plants. Their dietary habits are essential for maintaining the balance in their ecosystems, as they help in the dispersal of plant seeds through their feces. One fascinating aspect of tortoises is their longevity. Some species of tortoises can live for over a century, making them one of the longest living reptiles on Earth. This longevity is thought to be another adaptation, allowing them to survive periods of harsh conditions. Tortoises play a crucial role in their ecosystems, acting as a food source for various predators and serving as a keystone species in maintaining the health of their habitats. They are also a vital part of human culture, symbolizing wisdom, patience, and endurance in many societies. In addition, tortoises are of significant economic importance. They are hunted for their meat, shells, and leather, and some species are even kept as pets. However, overexploitation has led to a decline in many tortoise populations, making conservation efforts essential to protect these fascinating creatures. The study of tortoises has provided valuable insights into evolution, adaptation, and the survival strategies of reptiles. Their slow and steady pace may seem unremarkable, but it is a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of life on Earth. In conclusion, the tortoise is a captivating creature that offers a unique perspective on life, reminding us to appreciate the small steps and the journey, rather than just the destination. Whether in folklore, in our backyards, or on the brink of extinction, the tortoise continues to inspire and fascinate us, reminding us of nature's wisdom and beauty.